What's good, YouTube? Foamposite Get 5 here with a new pickup. It's my dog right here. Don't worry about it. See a regular Nike box. Nike right here. Nothing right there. On the bottom, got the sticker. As you can see by the picture, you know what they are. Cough drops, size 10.5. Foamposite ones. Only taking one shoe out for the review. So we got the cough drops today. All black Foamposite going around the whole shoe. With the new buck right here going around the laces. The red Nike swoosh. The red line going up the mesh tongue. Up to the penny logo right there, if you can see it. We got the 4 red stripes on the pull tab. Same as back here. We got the mesh kind of sock lining right here. The penny sign, penny logo. Yep. Got the carbon fiber plates. And on the sole, translucent red sole. I like that. And on the black grid part, you can kind of see through it to the red, so that's kind of hot. More carbon fiber. And the penny logo, again, in red. So yeah, that's the end of this review. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.